In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can get WhatsApp connected and ready to use inside your CRM. I'll move step by step and you can pause or rewind at any time if you want to follow along in your own account. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho CRM website. In the address bar, type crm.zoho.com and press enter. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoho account where you want WhatsApp to be integrated. If you manage multiple organizations, double check that you've selected the right one inside Zoho CRM before continuing so the integration ends up in the correct place. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings area for your CRM. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Zoho keeps most of the configuration options, including extensions and marketplace apps. After you click the gear, a settings page or panel will open. Here you want to find the marketplace section. This is where you can browse and install add-ons that connect other tools to Zoho CRM. In the marketplace section, click on the option labeled All. This will show you the full list of available extensions and integrations instead of just featured or recommended ones. With the All marketplace view open, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the page. Click into the search field and type WhatsApp. Take a moment to check your spelling so you get accurate results. Then press enter or wait a second for the search results to load. You should now see a list of items related to WhatsApp, typically including official or popular integrations designed to connect WhatsApp with Zoho CRM. From the search results, locate the option simply labeled WhatsApp that's designed to work with Zoho CRM. Click on the WhatsApp entry to open its details page. This page usually gives you an overview of what the integration does, permissions it requires, and any usage notes. It's a good idea to skim this information so you understand what data it can access and how it will behave inside your CRM. On that WhatsApp details page, look for the button that says Install. When you're ready, click Install. At this point, Zoho may prompt you with a confirmation window asking which organization to install it into or showing you the permissions that the integration needs. Carefully review those details, then confirm the installation. Once you click Install and confirm any prompts, Zoho CRM will begin adding the WhatsApp integration to your account. Depending on the specific extension, you may be guided through some additional setup steps afterward, such as connecting a WhatsApp business number or adjusting user access inside Zoho. Follow those on-screen instructions until you see a message confirming that the installation is complete. And that's it. You've just integrated WhatsApp in Zoho CRM by going to the Zoho CRM site, opening the settings with the gear icon, heading to the marketplace, searching for WhatsApp, selecting it, and clicking Install. You're now ready to explore how WhatsApp features appear in your CRM and start using them with your contacts and leads.